In this video, I'm going to show you how to add icons in Miro. Once you're in your Miro board, guys, if you're looking for icons, you can easily go ahead and find those on the left hand side. So you want to go to shapes and lines and then go ahead and click on more shapes. Here you'll find some really cool icons, right? So you have different shapes, and if you scroll down, you have some icons here, such as icons under AWS, you have XML, you have VMware icons here, or shapes rather. You have Azure right here. You have BPMN as well. You have Salesforce icons that you can go ahead and find. You have a whole lot, right? Data flow, Google Cloud icons, Cisco networking. You have quite a lot, guys. So go ahead and check these out, and you can basically use these different shapes. You can even search for shapes to see if something is there. You also have the option to manage shapes, and so you can enable quite a lot more, as you can see right here. So you can enable connectors and all of those good stuff, right? So you can scroll down and you can find a whole lot of different icons and shapes that you can actually use. As you can see, whole lot of different categories, and this is going to allow you to basically enhance your design and give you the exposure so that you know what's there and what's not, so you can basically make your designs much better. But that's it, very easy and very simple.